Craving a simple, cozy autumn bite? Meet no-bake pumpkin spice energy bites. Big, full flavor, snack-ready and weeknight friendly. Ingredients roll in. Hearty rolled oats, nutty, satisfying, and the perfect wholesome base. Pumpkin puree, silky and bright, with that unmistakable seasonal aroma and vitamin A goodness. Pure maple syrup, natural sweetness, amber warmth, and a gentle lift without refined sugar. Pepitas, tiny green powerhouses for toasty crunch and extra minerals. Making these no-bake pumpkin energy bites is simple. In a bowl, combine creamy pumpkin puree, wholesome rolled oats, pure maple syrup for sweetness, and a dash of pumpkin spice. Mix everything together until well combined. Once it's all mixed, simply scoop and roll the dough into bite-sized balls. No baking required. If you like, stir in a teaspoon of cocoa or roll the energy balls in shredded coconut for extra fun and flavor. These bites pack wholesome benefits. Fiber-rich oats for steady energy, vitamin A from pumpkin for eye and skin health, naturally sweetened with maple, nut-free for school-safe snacking, and cozy pumpkin spice without added oils. Great pre-workout or afternoon fuel. The result is a satisfying, vitamin-packed pumpkin bite, ready to enjoy anytime you need a healthy boost.